Right now, let me show you how we can undo in your notes on your Mac, right? So we open up the Notes app, the built-in one from Apple, and as you can see, I might be inside of any place. I can type something in, whatever it is, right? And if I want to go back or undo it, I essentially have two options. I can either use my mouse and go to the top left corner while having the notes open. You can see it is right there. And I can go to the edit, and the first option is undo typing. So as you can see, the left arrow, which is going to delete the stuff which I just added to this note, right? So as you can see, it deleted the question mark, but I can go even forward or even more backwards and delete the other word. And that's how it works. As you can see, I can as well redo the typing. So if I want to, I can make it come back, and now the word appeared, and I can redo it again and add the question mark again. So that's how you can go back and forth. But you probably noticed as well that when I clicked on edit, the undo typing also shows the shortcut. So it says Command and Z, and that's like the shortcut you can perform with your keyboard even without pressing the buttons, right? And you can go back like this, and you can make stuff reappear back with the shortcut, which is Shift Command Z. So Command Z is undoing and Shift Command Z is redoing. So you can either use the keyboard shortcut or you can approach it with the mouse right there. But that's gonna be about it from me. I hope that I could help you out. Definitely subscribe for more quick videos and tutorials like this one, and I'll talk to you later.